What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another video guys, and this one it's so amazing because guess what, it's on a Thursday and you already know it's shoe of the week. But in this week we're gonna do something very special. I've been waiting for these shoes for a while now guys, since they came out. I wasn't one of the lucky ones to get it on confirmed. So it's an Adidas shoe, it's a Yeezy shoe, and I finally got it, and I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna quickly do the unboxing with you guys. This is amazing. Oh my god, this Yeezy, I can really just say it's really one of my favorite Yeezys to come out. This, I'm so happy to have it. All right, let's just go ahead and do the unboxing. But before we do that guys, you already know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. So I got my knife with me. I'm just gonna quickly open it up. So I'm just gonna quickly also shout out to Findit. I got mine from Findit. I was lucky to get someone to sell their Yeezy 350s. There we go. All right, let me get it out and drop the box. And this is it, guys. Put the knife aside. Yeezy 350s. There we go. And I'm just gonna quickly do a slow motion opening it up. Let's look at it together. I hope it doesn't fall. All right, hold it this way. There it is, guys. Yeezy 350 mix ot. I'm just gonna turn it around. Wow. These ones are amazing. Really love these ones. I'm gonna be rocking them. I'm definitely gonna be rocking them. Wow. These ones, guys, one of my favorite Yeezys, really. They look amazing. I love the tag. And it's so crazy because some of the Yeezys do have the tags and some don't. This one, I love the way it has this tag. I'm totally gonna be rocking it very soon, actually tomorrow. The Yeezy 350 V2 Mix Ot. I love these shoes. And let's look on the other one too. And oh yes, there we go guys. The Yeezy 350. Got this shoe. Amazing, really amazing. Here we go. One of my favorite Yeezys to come out lately. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and mostly be kind to one another. Peace!